how to turn on and off the walk-away auto lock feature on your Honda vehicle using the multi-information display. So to change the power door lock settings as well as other vehicle settings, you'll use the multi-information display here on the right side of the gauge cluster. To control this display, you use the buttons on the lower of the right side of the steering wheel here. They should have arrows as well as a select and reset button in the center. Depending on what screen you're on, you will have to scroll a few menu options using the up and down arrows, but scroll until you find vehicle settings. Once you find vehicle settings, press the center button with the select reset option on it, and this should bring you into the vehicle settings. To adjust the power door locks, scroll until you find door setup. From here, scroll down until you see walk away auto lock. Press the select button. Here's where you can turn on and off the walk away auto lock feature. Simply arrow down to the option you'd like to select and press the select button once on it. The system will then return to the screen you're on previously. To exit this menu, simply scroll down to the bottom and press select when on exit. To exit the vehicle settings altogether, scroll down to the bottom once again and press exit. From here you can arrow up or down to display whichever information you would like on the multi-information display, and you have completed the process. So the purpose of the walk-away auto lock feature is so you can take your proximity key with you outside the vehicle and simply close the door and walk away without locking it. If this feature is turned on, the vehicle will automatically lock without you using the key fob or the button on the front door handles. So to demonstrate how this process works, first you need to turn off the vehicle like normal. Simply exit the vehicle. The vehicle should beep once, indicating that the feature is active, and you can simply walk away, and once you're outside about 5 feet of the radius of the vehicle, it will then beep again, indicating the vehicle is locked. Now once you decide to return to the vehicle with your proximity key, you can simply touch the back side of the door handles if this feature is enabled. The vehicle will unlock, and then you can simply get in, put your foot on the brake, and start the vehicle using the push button start. So hopefully you found this video helpful on how to turn on or off the walk-away auto lock feature on your Honda vehicle. If you did, please hit that like button. It definitely helps out these videos. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the content that is currently available. If you have any questions about this video or would like to suggest a video topic, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll definitely take a look. So with all this being said, I hope to see you in the next video.